the box. So let's keep going. The overall package looks like that. There is nothing really more. We're gonna proceed with opening this sleeve and we're gonna look inside right now. There is handy dandy opener over here. And take it off. Okay. The best part is done. One try. Okay, the mouse has been fully taken off. Mouse and two pads. Here, of course, the cable. Let's see. Let's take out the cable. Over here. Let's see if the cable is gold plated. No way, it's not. That's weird. Usually they're doing a little bit of gold plating. Actually, in the last other 2013, this cable was gold plated, like a little bit. But this one is black cable. It's green, like a Razer. And of course you're getting like a welcome Razer cooled and everything. Thanks for Razer show and so on. And probably there will be few stickers inside. Let's see. Usually they include the stickers with serial number. And of course there are keys. You have different profile. You just have to press this button. And you have 4 profiles on it. So it's pretty neat. I actually bought it for that 12 keys, so when you're editing the video you are able to edit the videos really quickly. That's the Naga Trinity and it's really useful for Premiere Pro. So to start, usually when you're taking the video in, we just double click on the clip and it's open on the left side on the assembly window. So you just double click the film and we pressing 4 will correspond as a left, 6 will correspond as a right, and the 5 will correspond as a pause. So that's a O, that's a J, that's a K. So you have JKL, usual shuffle keys, and right now we're just going 4 to get left, 6 to get right, 5 to pause. And when you want to mark in video, you just press 1, you press right, left, okay. You find the sweet spot, you press 3 to mark out, which is O, and afterwards you press 2, which is to put the video into the timeline. Okay, we took about all of these keys, so we have this one left. As you know, we're gonna use all of these keys, so key 12 will be our V tool, which is mouse. Key 9 will be our. So when you use it, you can press 12 like that, and it's going into your memory, so you're gonna quickly remember that. So you press V to select the video, you select the clip, C to cut during the clip, and V again to select the cut area. Right now, afterwards, you can say 11 is delete and 10 is shift delete. So you have ripple delete and delete with handy dandy layout. Also, number 8 is for A, so select everything, and number 7 is for shift delete. So you can delete all of the timeline, like not all of the timeline, just delete through all of the video tracks at once. And how it looks in practice, it's pretty useful. You just don't have to like look for the keys where they are. Dear Razer, can you tell me if that mouse supposed to work like this? You take off the panel from the mouse like that. It's turned off, like it's still working, but the panel is turned off. Yeah, it's still working on the computer. And you press panel in like that, and it doesn't light up. But when you do the magic trick, and the magic trick is a slapping, just use a little bit of slap, like that. It's working again. What the hell? Is that supposed to work like that? Come on, come on, come on. It works right now. That's because the camera is recording, you know. But when you switch the thing, it doesn't work. Let's try to slap it. Tell me, what's wrong with this mouse? Is that mouse? Oh, you see, it stopped working and it started working. It stopped working and it stopped working. Like it's still working on a PC, but it's the light. It just. Ta-da! And also the highlights is here. So, Razer, tell me, what do I doing wrong? Do I holding it wrong? Like an Like a recent video from Luis, you're holding it wrong, you know? Okay, let's see with this. Ah, you see, the same problem. Okay, so tell me then, do I holding it wrong? Quick trick. And ladies and gentlemen, yeah, bad mouse. What the hell is this? Okay, let's try again with this one this time. Okay, this one starts working straight away. Switch to normal panel. It's working pretty nice. Okay, let's switch to 12 keys. Oh, it's working. Sometimes it's doing that, sometimes it's not doing that. So I have no idea what's wrong, and if that's supposed to work like that, or there just a software issue or synapse driver thing. Ah, dead. But with a little bit of touch. Ta-da! What the hell is going on? I have to send this video to Luis. Oh, okay, it's working right now. Okay, it's working right now again. It's working again. No, maybe there's some kind of things with that magnets. Okay. Oh, I have no idea what's wrong with this mouse, really. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of connection, or because you see sometimes it's working like straight away and sometimes it just stop working during you holding it, which I don't know. Oh, and it's dead. It's gonna start working automatically when I wiggle it, wiggle it more. Come on, no, you need to be slapped delicately, come on. Show that you're great mouse, come on. No, more, you need more force, more, okay. Hey, come on, come on, come on, don't do it, come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know, it was working before. Come on. Ah! What the hell is wrong? Okay, let's try a different one. So just connect it and let's try to wait until, okay, and let's press the button. No. Press the other button? No. Press this button? No. The Razer Trinity on the screen show up to change DPI. So it looks like the mouse is working. The button seems to... No. Oh! Did you saw that? Did you saw that? What? Razer. What's wrong with my mouse? Thanks for watching, like it if you like it, dislike if not, and happy days! Subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. You can also press this bell icon so you will be able to see all of the new videos which I release. There will be more.